Okay guys, now we're on to the next step, and that is mounting your M10 motor onto the transom mount itself. You will notice on the back of the motor, you'll see this big stainless steel wedge. That wedge lines up with a big wedge valley on the back of the transom mount. Once you've got them lined up, just let gravity do the work. Once the motor's down and tight, you'll feel it lock in. On the back of the motor, you'll see a tab that says lock before operation. What you want to do is palm that into position, and now the motor cannot go anywhere. You are ready for a day out on the water. Next step is we're back from the days out boating. We want to remove the M10 from our boat. Really simple process. You want to take your tiller, fold it up and remove your kill switch. Get rid of that. Now the motor is dead. Nothing can hurt you. You can touch all the bits. Nothing's going to fire up and hurt anybody. Next step is you want to reach behind here and unlock the battery cable lock. That will let you pull the cable out. Once the cable's out, now the battery and the motor are disconnected, and you can go ahead and take the motor off the boat. This is a really simple process. There's a black tab at the back of the motor. You want to unlock that, pull that tab. Then the way we do it is we take a little bit of weight behind the motor, a little bit of weight on the cab plate. You can do it any old how. We've got a built-in carry handle here that's super strong. You can carry it with that, lift it off. This is the way we do it. Take a little bit of weight on both, give it a bit of a pop, and off she comes. Super simple. If you want to put it back on, same process, just line up the wedges and drop it home. Always remembering to push that tab and lock the motor after you've installed. Very simple, very easy, very straightforward.